Simply perform a Google search and download the Google Translate app as a first step. You can earn more than $25 per 15 minutes by doing everything you can see here. Now it's been 45 minutes. We can check how much money we've made by refreshing this page. Just write "and" to translate. Copy this, paste it here, and click on Go. In this video, I'll demonstrate how with only Google Translate, you can make $27 up to $27.74 every 15 minutes. I'll test the strategy live in this video so you can see whether it works and it is worth your time. Let's start with the method. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can monetize Google Translate. The first thing you should do is go to translate.google.com, which is the web page you need to visit. We will be using a Google Translate app on your smartphone instead of just Google Translate. In this video, if you use the Google Translate app, everything I'm about to show you in this video on how to make money with Google Translate will go 10 times faster. I'll soon tell you why. So stay tuned. Of course, you could merely use your laptop to carry out this procedure, but having a smartphone would make everything go much more quickly. To start earning money with this strategy, we need to download the Google Translate app onto our smartphones. If you have an iPhone, all you need to do is open the App Store. And if you have an Android phone, all you need to do is open the Google Store. Just look up Google Translate and download the app. As you can see, Google Translate looks nearly the same on the smartphone as it does on the browser. So you can use the same thing. The ability to use the camera app on your phone is the only difference. I'll find some language options. If I open the camera, for example, I'll switch to French. This site will automatically translate any word I find into French. This is what we will employ to generate income online, simply through Google Translate. This is so powerful because everything goes so quickly. You'll be able to earn money more quickly than everyone else using translate.google.com as their browser. We need to decide how we are going to monetize this once the app and Google Translate are finished. We will make use of a website named cbagrip.com. You can start earning money from various online strategies by using this website as a tool for monetization. Take URL, file locker, video locker, offer walls, virtual currency, etc. As an example, cost per action or CBA offers are available on this website. Get people interested in the offers if you want to profit from them. If they take action, you will profit from them. It's one of the simplest ways to generate money online because it's so straightforward. Let me go through the process with you, step by step. The first thing to do is to head up to the register and enter your first and last name, street address, city, and pretty much all of the information they ask for. There are two things with which you need to use extreme caution. First, if you want to be paid using the site, you should add your authentic credentials. When you create an account, they will review all of the information you provide, and if it isn't compatible, for instance, with your payment, you won't be able to receive payment from this strategy. The second thing is that you need to make sure to add the GPT while creating your account. If you add GPT, they won't determine whether you are suitable for the CPA platform. Instead, you will receive your account immediately. Fill out your real information. Remember to include GPT. Then click register. After confirming that you agree to everything, the first item that will appear after creating an account is this chat, where you can see how much money users are generating on this platform. Anyone can use this reputable platform to earn money. The amount you can earn depends on the method you choose and how successful you are with it. It might range from $100,000 to $100,000. The next thing you need to do is select offer tools and then select my offers, where the first thing that will appear is a list of all the CBA offers that we can use on this platform. If someone takes advantage of these offers, we can find out their payouts on the site. If they do, for instance, this one, they only need to submit their email. And if they do, you will receive $1.88. This is the reason why I think CPA marketing is among the simplest ways to make money online. You need to encourage folks to do an action to earn products. You don't need to sell anything. Now, let's look for a product that I want you to employ for this method. Simply clicking payout will display the smallest payout possible. By clicking it again, will display the maximum payout available for the offer per person performing one action. We can earn more than $20. Let's assume that you will generate more than $20 from people who take simplest actions like utilizing their phones. To input some of their information, it's quite easy to get $20 from all of these by simply utilizing Google Translate. This is the deal I recommend you do, and it will pay you $21.90. This is my preferred option because it is only for mobile phones. People only need to submit their information, and this offer is fairly new. If I open it, this link should be the most crucial part for you. If they click on this link and take an action, you will get paid $21.90. If they are from France, this is the link that you will email to someone. Finding people and driving traffic to the site is essential if you want to earn money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a new approach for getting started with this, using only free advertising, particularly those that are already effective. What are we going to do is spy on successful ads that are bringing in thousands of dollars for various individuals. You'll be able to spy on things, take what you see, copy it, and start making money out of it. To do this, we will be using spypush.com, a spy tool for push notification ads. With this software, you can start spying on the various ads that people use, and I'll show you which ads are the best to spy out for. If you plan to use this website, simply click create an account and fill out the necessary information. What we can see inside the account are various push notification ads that people use for CPA offers. Now, this is the time to begin utilizing our Google Translate app. As you can see, the majority of these offers are from other countries, and I have no idea what text they are using for these advertisements. I'll start by selecting English on the app before it detects English as the language. I'll open the camera, and if I want to know what they're using for this advertisement, if it's doing so well, I'll just start looking at it. From there, I can easily translate the language they are using. This helps me identify the ideal advertisement to employ for my CPA offer. We can translate the words into a language we can comprehend to determine what will work best. For your advertisement, we can quickly add it, take it, translate it into the language of our choice, and use it for our advertisement. For this reason, the Google Translate app is extremely effective. There are a few things you should do first if you want to get the best hands, so you can find one that is profitable. This is crucial since these individuals have been running this offer for a while, which proves that the ad is effective and profitable for them. To begin, you must set the filter to today's running and click show. They would not continue running the advertisements for investing money in it if I weren't profitable. Finding an iPhone commercial is my top priority. I just want to discover an app that is already functional and generating decent cash for whoever is running the advertisements. Regardless of what sort of iPhone it is, for the English version of the app, I want to copy it exactly and utilize the same text and images. I discovered this iPhone advertisement, but I don't like it because I don't think it will go well. This website has a wonderful feature where you can find additional creatives that are comparable to this one that you can use. Consequently, this is the one that I like. I'm just going to take my Google Translate app. Now, I'm simply going to change the language detection to English. Go to this advertisement, take a picture, and I'll receive a screenshot of a picture of the translated ads. Right now, all I need to do is take this text and modify it into the free ads. I'm going to show you so we can start making money off of it. We will start with the free ads. We are going to use this website, easyhitsforyou.com, as a free advertising option. On this website, you can start posting ads for nothing at all, and they will be seen by 1,800,000 users who visited. You can use this really easy traffic source by simply clicking a few buttons, and best of all, you can get all of the traffic for nothing. You need to put your link here, so return to the CPA, copy this URL, enter your link here, and then click click go. The next step is to register for this free ad option. I'll simply fill out this information and click sign up after you scroll down and select no thanks. Just let me in. We need to finish the ad. You can see that there is the link. This is the link that you will utilize. All that is left to be done is to provide a title and the appropriate language for this advertisement. You will see the title from the ads that I previously showed you because English is the language. Therefore, I'll just add English. Just write it into the title and remake it. There's a suggestion that you put this website as well into the offers so that you can receive more traffic from the members. So enter the title here and click submit website. Our advertisement is now live and the free advertisement option will soon start generating traffic. If you want to increase traffic to it, you have a limited number of possibilities. You can use this website for traffic exchange. Simply click here, verify your email and select Start Surfing 2.1 or Start Surfing 1.1 to begin seeing various advertisements and increase traffic to your website. This is wonderful because the majority of people using this website are selling a product. Since you aren't trying to sell anything and are merely giving something away, you have a significant advantage over everyone else. You will therefore be the one to profit the most from this website. Once everything is prepared, wait for 1 to 3 hours before estimating your earnings. After 45 minutes, you can see that today's income is $0. I'll click reload and you'll see that using the strategy, we were able to make $20.90. I'm going to open the stats overview by selecting statistics in charge right now so we can see it number by number. This proves that the strategy is effective and that we can make money using it. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!